At Amphenol Industrial Operations, we connect industries to the future with high-performance interconnect solutions. Welcome to our Zhuhai, China manufacturing facility, an advanced production hub supporting critical markets across Asia and beyond.
Zhuhai is a cornerstone of Amphenol Industrial Operations manufacturing in Asia. We deliver high-performance interconnect solutions for critical markets, driven by precision, technology, and an exceptional team.
Zhuhai plays a critical role in AIO's global expansion. With our advanced manufacturing capabilities, such as automation and strong market presence, we support customers worldwide, ensuring we meet evolving industry demands and drive continued innovation.
Precision is the foundation of performance. Our CNC and contact machining capabilities ensure every component meets the tightest tolerances, empowering solutions for high current and harsh environment applications.
我来自 CNC 部门的郑汉祥，我们先进的数控以及端子加工技术为高电流应用提供精密组件，我们确保每个零件都符合原核的标准，这对能源和交通等行业至关重要。
Our advanced molding capabilities enable us to manufacture durable components designed to withstand extreme environments. From rubber to Bakelite to plastic, every molded part is built to perform under pressure.
大家好，我是 ATZ 的技术经理梁有超。我们的成型工艺能制造出可承受极端环境、可兼顾高品质的零件。这种能力对于在工业中 和可再生能源系统中使用的连接器来说无比关键。
Surface treatment defines performance. With 11 automatic and 3 manual plating lines, we offer high-performance finishes, including gold, silver, nickel, and cadmium. Our selective gold plating ensures efficiency and reliability. Sustainability is at our core, with best-in-class wastewater treatment reducing our environmental impact.
Hello， 我是电阻生产经理火箭。我们电阻生产线提供晶银镍镀层，以增强产品的耗电性和耐用性。同时，我们投资于先进的废水处理技术，以减少对环境的影响。
From RADSOK high current contacts to custom cable assemblies, our assembly teams ensure precision and reliability. Automation and rigorous quality testing guarantee that every product meets our customers' demanding requirements.
我是组装部门的韩峰，我们的组装团队能够高精度的制造快速的端子、连接器、电缆组件。我们进行了严格的测试，确保每个产品都能够符合客户的高标准。
Every connection we manufacture is tested to exceed industry standards. Our quality control systems ensure long-term reliability and performance in the field. It's not just our technology that powers industries, it's our people. Their expertise, precision, and dedication drive Amphenol Industrial Operations forward. Together, we build connections that power the future.